Morning, dear students. Today we will do worksheet 17 made by Directorate of Education GNCT of Delhi for date 27/11/2020. Subject Science, class 7th English medium. Name of student right here, name of class teacher here. Today's topic is neutralization in everyday life. Dear students, we have studied about the neutralization reaction in the previous worksheet. Now we will see the use of neutralization reaction in everyday life. Have you ever suffered by acidity caused due to overeating? You can also discuss it to your family members. It is very painful condition that is caused due to excess release of acid in our stomachs. Acid, let us think what cause burning sensation on ant sting. These all are due to either some kind of acid or base. Now the first point, what is indigestion? What is indigestion? Our stomach contains hydrochloric acid. It helps us to digest food, but too much of acid in the stomach causes indigestion. Ant sting. The sting of an ant contains formic acid. When an ant bites, it injects the acidic liquid into the skin. It causes burning in the skin. Now, soil condition. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers make the soil acidic. Plants do not grow well when soil is either too acidic or too basic. Next point, factory wastage. The wastage of many factories contain acids. If they are allowed to flow into the water bodies, the acids kill fishes and other organisms. All these conditions are अनवांटेड एंड हार्मफुल. देन डिस्टेंस, ये सारे कंडीशंस थी, सोइल कंडीशन, फैक्ट्री कंडीशन, इंडाइजेशन, ये सारे हार्मफुल थी, अनवांटेड थी. थस दिस शुड बी ट्रीटेड एंड करेक्टेड वेल. तो ऐसी कंडीशन को हमें ट्रीट करना और उसको करेक्ट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट वी विल study the treatment of all these conditions. The first condition, treatment of indigestion. To neutralize the effect of excessive acid due to indigestion, we take antacids. And what is antacids? What is an antacids? And antacids is a mild base such as milk of magnesia, which contains magnesium hydroxide. Now the next point, treatment of ant sting. The effect of formic acid due to ant sting is neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda. This is also known as sodium hydrogen carbonate, and calamine solution, that is also known as zinc carbonate. These are the mild base. Soil treatment. If the soil is acidic, it is treated with the base like quicklime calcium oxide or slack lime calcium hydroxide. If the soil is basic, then organic matter is added to it, because organic matter releases acids which neutralizes the basic nature of the soil. Treatment of factory wastes. Factory wastes are neutralized by adding basic substances before releasing in water. फैक्ट्री वेस्टेज को पहले न्यूट्रलाइज किया जाता है, उसको बेसिक बनाया जाता है, ठीक है, और वाटर में रिलीज करने से पहले. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये जो वर्कशीट 17 में इसकी ट्रीटमेंट बताई गई है कि इंडाइजेशन के लिए हम एंटासिड यूज करेंगे, और ant sting को न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए हम क्या मॉइस्ट बेकिंग सोडा और ये कैलेमाइन सॉल्यूशन यूज करेंगे. सोइल की ट्रीटमेंट के लिए अगर एसिडिक होगा तो उसमें बेस ऐड करके उसको न्यूट्रलाइज करेंगे, जैसे कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड या कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. अगर सोइल हमारा बेसिक है तो उसमें ऑर्गेनिक मैटर ऐड करते हैं, क्योंकि ऑर्गेनिक मैटर्स क्या करते हैं, एसिड रिलीज करके उस बेसिक नेचर को, सोइल की बेसिक नेचर को न्यूट्रलाइज करते हैं. Now the question, what is indigestion? What is indigestion? An excessive release of acids in stomach is called indigestion, है ना. Too much of an acids in the stomach cause indigestion. The answer of first question. Now second question, what is an antacids? What is an antacids? You have studied in this worksheet. And antacids and antacids is a mild base such as milk of magnesia which contains magnesium hydroxide. The answer of second question. Third question, dash and dash are used to neutralize the ant sting. You have studied, you have read in this worksheet the answer of this question. Moist baking soda and calamine solution. The answer of third question. Now fourth question, how can you treat basic soil? The answer of this question is here. If the soil is basic, organic matter is added to it. Organic matter releases acid which neutralizes the basic nature of the soil. This is the answer of fourth question. Now COVID related appropriate behavior message. Wash your hands with soap and water regularly. Now dear students, in this way worksheet 17 for class 7th subject science English medium has been completed. Thank you for watching this video.